All right, primetime sports players. This is the video to randomize teams for the hockey puck break. That should hopefully happen today as long as the puck gets here. We will check the time as January 5th at 11:13 a.m. We'll go over to the break and type live. And we have January 5th at 11:13 a.m. We're going to randomize the 31 NHL teams, and then we'll match it up to our entry list. And then that's who you guys will have for teams. We'll open the puck. Whoever has the puck that team belongs to is the winner. You guys can trade teams. We'll say till like 5 o'clock, so another 6 hours. You guys can trade teams as well if you like. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There we go. Now remember, whoever got the Vegas Golden Knights will have their spot refunded because there are not going to be any pucks signed by any Vegas Golden Knight players yet. So that's it. We'll see you live as soon as this breaks or as soon as the puck gets here. Thanks.